Hello friend, today we are going to discuss on topic on pattern of agriculture holding. First of all, what is the agriculture holdings? An agriculture holding or farm is a single unit both technically and economically operating under a single management which undertakes economic activities in agriculture within the economic territory of union either as its primary or secondary activities. The holding may also provide other supplementary products and services. Agriculture holding means it is a single unit both technically and economically. It has a single management. There can be single management even though this is carried out by two or more persons acting jointly. Discuss on what are the different types of the holding. First of all, economic holdings, second basic holding, third one is optimum holding, and fourth one is family holding. One by one discuss. First of all, economic holding means economic holding indicates that particular size of holding which will provide necessary support to the peasant family. In this connection, Keating observed that the economic holding is one which allows a man the chance of producing sufficient to support himself and his family in reasonable comfort after paying his necessary expenses. Means economic holding means it is a support to the family for expenses and necessary comfort lives. Next is the basic holding. The basic holding is smaller than economic holding and offer only subsistence living to the farmers. Means may be able to provide a reasonable standards of living to the cultivators, but not sufficient for the purposes of agriculture operation. Next one is the optimum holdings. Optimum holding is defined by the agrarian committee as 3 times economic holdings. The family holdings implies an area which is equivalent to the either plough unit or a unit of average family having pair of bullock. And optimum holding, next is types of land holding in India. Previous discuss on the operational land holding is a economic land unit used wholly or partly for agriculture production and operated by one person alone or with an assistance of other without regard to title, size or location. Means only operation holding. An operation land holding may be consisted of either one or more parcels of land provided them form the part of the sum units. There are 5 kinds of land holdings in India depending on various sizes as follows, like only livestock and poultry products and piscicultures. First, marginal farmer means the land holding possesses 0 to 1 hectare of lands, means marginal holdings. Small holding possesses the farmer land holding size 1 to 2 hectares. Semi-medium farmers means the size of land holding 2 to 4 hectares, and medium holdings means the size of land holding between 4 to 10 hectares of land, and large holding means the size above the 10 hectare of lands of farmers, means large farmers or land holdings. Thank you.